couple of questions. It's for Countdown, you know.
Oh yes, I watch it every time I'm in Holland.
Hey, Ringo, how are things going with ARK? I mean, how did you get involved anyway?
Well, my connection came to Kevin Godley, and both my wife Barbara and I are founder members. And we're not on like the main committee, but we're doing all we can to help. And we're trying to pull everything together, you know, trying and tell people not to use aerosols just to keep their armpits smelling nice when they can use different ones.
Nou, ondertussen zie je beelden die Kevin Godley en Lol Cream gemaakt hebben, speciaal voor ARK. Ringo, by the way, our contribution was with the Countdown All-Stars. We raised over 10,000 guilders.
That's great. That's just fabulous, you know, and every little we can all do helps. And, you know, I'd just like to send all my regards and thank you to the Countdown All-Star Band. I think it's brilliant what they've done. We've got to start moving on this thing now because it's getting too late.
Well, Ringo, thanks a lot. I got to get on with the show. I appreciate you.
Okay, well, I would just like to say to everyone in Amsterdam, mainly Amsterdam because I used to have a house there on the Prinsengraad, so I know that better, but everyone in Holland, thanks again. This is straight from my heart. This is Ringo saying thank you all for helping out, especially the Countdown All-Star Band and all the people who bought the record.
Okay, thanks a lot, Ringo. Dat was dus Ringo Starr. Nu in Countdown.